So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your screen protector has some bubbles underneath it. So you can see right here, I have a single bubble right here. I may have a bubble down here. If you have a bunch of bubbles on your particular iPhone, Android, whatever you have, the biggest way of basically going through and addressing and fixing this problem is to understand that you might have to go through and basically take the screen protector off. The reason why you're probably going to end up having bubbles under your screen protector is usually because your device has some specks underneath it, some moisture on the display, or you were taking showers or really hot showers and basically water got underneath gaps in the display and then it got underneath it. The way to fix this, there's a couple ways. Number one is by going through, removing the screen protector, cleaning off that display, cleaning off the screen protector, and putting the screen protector back on. Sometimes that can honestly end up fixing the problem, and that is kind of one of the easiest ways of kind of doing it. I've done this so many times before. If that doesn't end up working, you might want to go through and seeing if you can actually take off the screen protector a little bit. So finding where the gap was. If my gap was down here or if it was up here, for example, the small one, if I knew it was from water, if it looked like a water moisture was kind of built up there, I could also go through, lift the screen protector up a little bit. So just, kind of put the gap up a little bit right here. And then what I would go through, do is basically grab a, hot air gun of some sort, or grab like a heat gun or like a blow dryer, very, very, very low pressure. I would just go and place it in this area and I would just allow that moisture to kind of go out. That's another very easy thing I'd recommend doing here too. So those are kind of the main ways. If none of those things work, you can also just go through, remove that screen protector and put a new one on. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.